Think of it this way. Face milling is like using a wide floor sander to flatten a large wooden floor. Peripheral milling is like using a router to cut a decorative edge or groove. One is designed for broad, flat surfaces. The other is made for slots, pockets, and precise contours. So, what's the real difference and how do you choose? Let's break it down. Face milling uses a cutter whose axis is perpendicular to the workpiece. The cutting happens on the tool face. It's built for high material removal on wide planes, surfacing castings, squaring blocks, or creating reference datums. Multiple inserts share the load, spreading wear and delivering a smooth finish. If you need a flat, smooth surface, fast face milling is the way. Peripheral milling uses the cutting edges on the sides of the tool. The axis is parallel to the workpiece surface. That's how you machine slots, grooves, pockets, and 3D contours. Because cutting happens along the tool's side, you can achieve deeper cuts with narrow tools. Perfect for keyways, gear teeth, and intricate profiles. When precision matters more than speed, peripheral milling delivers. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Cutting direction. Face milling cuts with the tool face perpendicular. Peripheral cuts with the tool sides parallel. Cutting depth. Face milling handles shallow passes. Peripheral can go much deeper. Tool contact. Face milling spreads load across multiple inserts. Peripheral engages the side flutes along the tool length. Surface quality. Face milling gives a smooth finish on large planes. Peripheral excels on contours. Applications. Face milling for surfacing and squaring. Peripheral milling for slots, pockets, and details. Need a large, flat surface? Face mill it. Need narrow grooves or precise contours? Peripheral mill it. Need both? Use both. Many shops start with face milling to rough out the basic shape and remove material fast. Then they switch to peripheral milling for the fine details and tight tolerance features. A hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds, speed and precision. Face milling and peripheral milling are the two basic forms of CNC milling. Knowing the difference helps you optimize speed, accuracy, and cost for every job. At WMTCNC, we build machines that handle both and help you choose the right process for your parts.